my best friend for 23. She left her body and hovered above me.
Welcome back everybody to Sean Bot Does. If you remember in the last video, we put together this sign that we're going to be making for our woodworking business, and now we're going to be using the CNC machine to actually carve it out. So we got our piece of wood ready, we got it all cleaned up, got it clamped down to the machine. Now we're ready to go. And there you have it, folks, the finished product. Well, finished as per the actual carving. Now I'm going to have to go in and sand it down a little bit. You can see it's got some router marks going through it. So we got to clean it up a bit and then figure out what kind of oil we want to put on it to make it pop. And then we'll hang it up in the garage somewhere. And then whenever we do some farmers markets, we'll bring it out with us there too. Thanks for tagging along. Stay tuned. I'm sure we're going to have quite a few more carves coming through. Thanks. Have a good night.